In the event that a careless driver backs into your car, they are not at fault, you are. Or put clearly, that's typically the opinion most police officers will give. But if you had a 360-degree camera installed in your car, it would provide incontrovertible proof of what actually transpired. 360-degree dash cameras are gaining popularity as a way to provide rock-solid evidence of what actually happened during a collision with another driver. Hello and welcome back to our latest video on the top 3 best 360-degree dash cam in 2023. You can buy these dash cams from the links that are given in the description below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you don't have. So let's begin to our countdown. 3. Rexing V360-day dash camera. Rexing V360-day is the best 360-degree dash cam for van that everyone may like because of its simplicity. It is a dual camera system with a front and rear dash cam, and its panoramic view design leaves no angle undetected, allowing you to see and record all comprehensive details in and around your car. Its front camera has a wide-angle fisheye lens that allows you to record the front, sides, and interior of the car all at the same time. The lens is also adjustable to the right, left, and front. It records high-definition videos at 1440 at 30 frames per second. With this wide dynamic range, you can record clear videos in low and high lighting conditions by adjusting the exposure and balance. The rear camera also records the cabin and the back roads simultaneously at 1440. When reverse gear is engaged, the dash cam's 3-inch IBS touchscreen automatically converts to a reversing image and shows you a rear view of the road that helps you in safe parking. This Rexing dash cam is a 360-degree dash cam for cars that has a discrete design. And despite its small design, it comes with a big memory storage capacity of 256 gigabytes. And when the storage reaches the limit, it overwrites the new files on the old files. Its built-in G sensor locks the dash cam movie and protects the footage when it detects a collision or any impact, and the locked video remains safe from being overwritten. 2. Yakala Y9 Wi-Fi dash camera. Yakala Y9 Wi-Fi dash cam is another best 360-degree dash cam for car because it comes equipped with an incredible Sony 326 sensor and Novtek NT 96660 processor, and its dual cameras capture the road and surroundings at an excellent high resolution of 3840 x 2160 at 30 frames per second. Therefore, you get excellent video footage and images. You can easily fix it on your car dashboard. It has Super TR technology with a 6 CDS infrared light automatic switch that captures the nighttime video impressively crystal clear. It has an f/2.0 aperture lens that makes sure that it balances the exposure and light, and the license plate number or street signs it captures during the day and nighttime are visible and clear. With this Wi-Fi feature, you can connect it to your smartphone through its application to transfer the pictures and videos from your dash cam and share them with your friends and family on social media. All the photos and videos are saved on your SD card automatically. The car front camera is equipped with a built-in fisheye lens that records the road front at a viewing angle of 230 degrees and the back road and a viewing angle of 170 degrees in 5 different directions at the same time. It records the front, back, right, left, and also the interior of the car, leaving no blind spots. To view the cam videos from these 5 angles, you can set these 5 recording modes in the app and then view the recordings or live view at any time, so the essential details of the rides are not missed. Yakala Y9 Wi-Fi dash cam comes with 2 kinds of power supplies. One is attached to the car charger power supply. The other one is DVR exclusive power box, so you can continuously monitor your car and surroundings for 48 hours with OBD power that has low voltage protection, so your car battery won't get drained. Its impressive features and advanced technology makes Yakala Y9 Wi-Fi 360 degrees dash cam one of the best 360 degrees dash cams for cars that are worth considering. 1. Arazo DC 3080 ACTIO and 360 degrees dash camera. Arazo DC 3080 ACTIO and 360 degrees dash cam is the first best 360 degrees dash cam that you'll see on the top of most of recommendation lists. It is an excellent dash cam that comes with an auto start feature and starts recording your on-road experience as you start your car. Its built-in 360 degrees viewing lenses can record 360 degrees horizontally covering the front road, the cabin, the sides, and the back road all from a single camera. Isn't it cool? Moreover, it's a 4K dash cam and you can download 4K videos to your PC through its DACTIL and PC application and share them with your friends and family. It also supports full HD 1080p videos downloaded to your phone application, making it easier for you to share them on social media. For watching live streaming via Bobby Wi-Fi, the resolution is not that high quality though. But overall, the RA0 Dactil and 360 degrees dash cam comes with 4 video recording modes, which in itself is quite an excellent capability. It supports 360 degrees fisheye, panoramic mode, front and back split view, and has an active scrolling widescreen angle. With the purchase of its parking option, you can have surveillance over your vehicle even when it is parked. Its incredible inbuilt 3-axis G sensor detects the impacts, starts recording automatically, and saves it to the memory card for you. It is a portable action camera and you can easily shift it between multiple vehicles. It also has a built-in GPS that helps you track your driving routes. If you buy the battery pack, you can also use it as a 360 degrees video action camera for capturing off-road experiences. For instance, you can take it out of the car and use it as an action cam for skiing, snowboarding, or ATVing. And with its waterproofing casing, you can even use it for water sports and underwater adventure. So if you use it for fishing, streaming, vlogging, or shooting videos for YouTube with it, it's the all-in-one dash cam for you. That's why it is preferred by Uber drivers, taxi drivers, delivery drivers, and general people alike. And no wonder why it's the best 360 degrees dash cam available in the market so far. So guys, we have ended our countdown of best 360 degrees dash cams. You can buy these dash cams from the links that are given in the description below. Which one you will buy? Tell us your opinion in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, then please make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button to never miss our future uploads. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.